Lush green forests waving as we ride along the way. Rivers flowing, sunlight glowing, ready for the day. Hear the birds sing, whoa, feel the cold wind as we go. Every heartbeat says let's start, adventure begins right here at heart. Let's go Darlington, where the wild runs free. Come join the fun, mountains high and rivers wide, friends together side by side. Let's go Darlington, this is where the good vibes all begin. Camping out beneath the sky, living life while time goes by.
Ay, marami
Cool creek water splashing as we jump and laugh around. Footsteps echo softly on this sacred
Dapat nga
camping
ni.
ground. When the sun dips low, the stars come out to shine. Crickets singing, firelight flicking, perfect night and time. Hear the forest, nature's rhythm starts to flow. Every moment feels so right. Welcome to our wildlife night. Let's go Darlington, where the wild runs free. Come join the fun, mountains high and rivers wide, friends together side by side. Let's go Darlington, this is where the good vibes all begin. Camping out beneath the sky, living life while time goes by. Notions here, just take my hand. Let's make memories in Let's go Darlington, where the wild runs free. Come join the fun, mountains high and rivers wide, friends together side by side. Let's go Darlington, this is where the good vibes all begin. Camping out beneath the sky, living life while time goes by. Let's go Darlington.
Ano yan, boss? Popcorn. So, yun guys, 5 PM na dito. Ayan na. Walang sunset dito pero ayun yung ano, pinaka paglubog ng araw. Ayan, may mga namamangka oh. Pasalubong yan, tinitigad-tigad lang oh, angas oh. 360 view dito guys. Cariques. At ito yung setup namin, Chan. Uy, siniknok, luto na yung popcorn. Ayun oh. Juby. Ayan yung mga setup ng tent namin. Yo. Kinakim namin. Tapos ito. Setup namin dito. Tapos kay Melo.
Dok, pinatay mo na? Uy, may mosi.
Oy guys, kain tayo ng hapunan.
Wala yun sa ano ko.
Okay guys, lights off na tayo. And the Melok, lights off. Good night, good night. So dito sa Tanay, ganyan talaga. Ang liwanag ng buwan guys, ang ganda. Tapos may mga ano dito, may mga tent dyan. Anong tawag dyan? Mga inuupahan. Night bong.
Night.
Alright. So ito sila Kim. Tulog na kami yun sa tent namin. Bye bye, good night guys. Sama natin si Tali sa vlog.
Tali, sama ka daw sa vlog.
Tingin ka, Bi.
Hello.
Hello,
Good night.
So, patulog na kami. Yung setup dito. Sa ating mumunting paraiso. Okay guys, good night, good night. Tulugan na. Tulog. Alright, good night. Good morning. Alright. Yan ang setup namin kagabi. Si Bong naligo agad oh. Ang lamig guys, lamig dito. Sobrang lamig. So yun guys, good morning, good morning. Ito, nagsiset up na kami. 6 pasado na. Ay, nakaubad pa. Yung isa nila, nubo na sobrang lamig oh. Nakaubad ka pa, Nok?
Lamig ah.
Kala ko mga agaw ka ng kubot kanina kagabi. Ngayon, nakaubad ka pa matulog. Good morning, Chan. Ayun na, nagising na. Dala ng takore. Kape tayo guys, kape. So dalawa kami ni Juby dito kaya dalawang stick. Suman na nanggaling kay nanay. Salamat sa Philippine Airlines. Sponsored. Philippine Airlines. Ay, Japanese oh. Ba't Japan? Kasi mga Japan, Hapon yung mga nakasakay.
May libreng ano eh, libreng pagkain. Tapos libre alak.
Hindi pala nawala ng traffic.
Okay.
Ewan ko kung sinong hip-hop yun. Kung kasi sa akin yan, sabi ko, malay mo kasama na nagputo pala tayo. Kasama na nagputo kakain, di mas malala. 3 hours yata. Depende sa lakad niya eh.
Wind director.
Alright guys, so kain na tayo ng brunch na to actually. Medyo late morning ano, kasi nagluto pa. Pero luto na. Ang talong, Argentina, tapos pork. Yung pa ring ulam kagabi. Okay guys, ligo time. Ligo tayo sa ilog. Ilog gaming. Grabe, ang lamig.
Malalim ako ka.
Grabe.
Ayoko na lang.
Hindi. Woo! Sobrang lamig. Sarap. Ganda dito boys, so nakapagitan tayo ng bundok. Alright, game na kayo. Walang batulok ha?
Doon.
Dito?
Wala ka pa.
1, 2, 3. May batulok ito eh. Hindi.
Paano ball? Okay, may bato. May bato. May bato dyan. Sige siya, di na nakipin.
By Bong. Alright. Guys, clubhouse. Sarap ng clubhouse.
Lalo kaya kahaba yung hirap. Sabi ko nga tagapagkasya namin yung 20k sa ilang.
Sarap nung camping, muulan.
Kung saan tayo dumating ng ikaw.
Yung...
Fire's just embers, the smoke fades away. Sky full of whispers where stars used to play. Footsteps on the trail where dreams softly stay. Goodbye to the pines, goodbye to the streams, leaving behind all these borrowed dreams. One last look back, the earth feels so near, but the road keeps calling, I can't stay here. The leaves sang their secrets, the wind knew my name. The moon lit my journey, a quiet old.
So alright guys, tapos na tayo dito and then nakaligpit na tayo. Malinis naman yung place. Pinag-campingan natin. Ganun talaga, walang iiwang kalat. Ganda dito guys, solid.
Nakabukas? Okay na yan, okay.
But the moment won't remain. Carve it in your heart like stone. Even as you're heading home. Goodbye to the pines, goodbye to the streams. Leaving behind all these borrowed dreams. One last look back, the earth feels so near. But the road keeps calling, I can't stay here.
Hindi natin na videoan yung pamikis.
Tabingi.
Kain tayo, Lomi.